Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down in order to find Accounts and Backup option. As you can see here, we've got whole Google Drive section, and actually we've got only one option, Backup Data, so let's tap on it. And before, we have to just tap on the switcher in order to activate the account option, so let's tap on it. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this, and I've got it saved, so just tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, just tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and you will receive all the info. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so here we've got the info that your backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. So let's tap on accept. And actually here we've got the same information, we've got all the things which will be backed up listed. So just tap on OK. And as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device, so from now on all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. What's more, here you can decide if you want to back up your data using Wi-Fi only, and I highly recommend this option, or after turning it off, your device will also back up the data using the mobile data actually. But as I said, I highly recommend to leave it turned on. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.